Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate software testing with Selenium, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the latest version of Selenium installed on your system. Download and install the appropriate language bindings for Selenium. If you're using Java, set up a new Maven project in your IDE. Add the required Selenium dependency in your pom.xml file. For Python users, create a new virtual environment. Install Selenium using pip in your terminal. Next, download WebDriver for the browser you intend to automate. Make sure the WebDriver version matches the installed browser version. Set up the WebDriver path in your code. Now, create a new test script file in your project. Start by importing the necessary packages. If using Java, import org.openka.selenium.webdriver and related classes. For Python, import selenium.webdriver. Initialize the WebDriver instance for the desired browser. Choose between Chrome, Firefox, or any other supported browser. Open a new browser window and navigate to the desired URL. Use the WebDriver's get method to launch your application. Identify web elements using various locators such as ID, name, and XPath. Use methods like findElement to interact with these elements. Perform actions such as clicking buttons or entering text into fields. Implement weights to handle dynamic content on the web page. Use implicit weights for a general wait time on all elements. For more specific situations, utilize explicit weights. Write assertions to validate expected outcomes after performing actions. Capture screenshots for failed tests to aid in debugging. After completing test case execution, close the browser using quit. Consider integrating your tests with a test framework like JUnit or TestNG for Java. For Python, you can use Unitist or Pytest frameworks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.